Unboxing the GoPro Hero 10 and the accessory bundle. You can see it came with all kind of cool stuff here. We've got our Zeus Mini clip-on light. We've got the handler, which is great for being out on the paddleboard. For some wind noise, we've got a microphone there. We've got some memory cards and 2 GoPro Hero 10s and a bite mouth kit. And you can use it using your mouth to hold the GoPro. This is going to be really cool for the paddleboard here. A lot of this is custom made for us on the river. I just can't wait to get out on the river and try it. It's going to be a lot of fun. The GoPros are waterproof to 33 feet. This little clip-on light is also waterproof to 33 feet, which is pretty cool. Next is going to be the Media Mod, which is a weather-resistant directional mic with a 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out, and it has a USB-C port. The new GoPro Hero 10 has 23 megapixels, records in 4K and up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second, is waterproof to 33 feet or 10 meters, and has an updated processor. One thing I really like about GoPro is their packaging and marketing. They're marketing geniuses, and this GoPro has an Apple-like quality, almost like opening an iPhone. You really get a sense of how much thought they put into the packaging. What's really neat about this GoPro Hero 10 is all the little details they have in here. When you open it up, it's like opening up one of those chocolate sampler boxes. You've got all your little attachments. They give you clips and extra doodads, 2 batteries, which is nice. They also give you very good documentation, and the software app, which is controlled by your phone, is very, very intuitive. Although they do try to sell you on a lot of extra subscription stuff for cloud streaming and things like that. Part of the accessory bundle that comes with this GoPro Hero 10 is this nifty little tripod. It also doubles as kind of a handle, and you can see here I'm taking off all the plastic. Such a well put together little camera. Last time I had a GoPro was the Hero 3, so they've come a long way. And the build quality on these cameras is amazing compared to the old cameras. Before you can use the GoPro, you have to get the software on your phone. Then you have to find the serial number, which is in this tiny little compartment inside the battery door. Once you get the serial number put in, then you can download the software on your phone. And you can see I'm basically updating the GoPro with the updated software. After that, then you can use the GoPro. It's very intuitive though, because on the GoPro it's all touchscreen, so it's very easy to use. Once you get your GoPro updated, there's 2 ways to turn it on. There's a top button and a side button. The top button will turn it on and just start recording. The side button will turn it on so you can review your videos or adjust your settings. So this is a quick overview of the GoPro Hero 10 with accessory bundle unboxing. Going forward, I'm going to have a lot of cool reviews using the GoPro Hero 10. I've got the suction cup mounts for the car. I've got selfie sticks. I've got all the stuff to get out on the river and do stuff on the river too. So I'm going to have to really mix it up and step up my game on the videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And please hit like on the video too. Thank you.